We'll guide you through how to fix games crashing on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll guide you through some different things you can do to go and stop this from happening. To get started, you want to go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in graphics settings like so, and click here to open them up. Now what you want to do here is go and scroll down and see if you can find your game. If you can't, you can go and add it as a desktop app or Microsoft Store app. And then what you need to do, go and click on it, and then you want to go and click options. Make sure you go and select high performance. In some cases, the computer can use power saving, which can be for your CPU. So select high performance and press save. The next thing you want to try doing is pressing search at the bottom and opening up Task Manager. Look at your CPU usage. If you see any programs which are using a lot of it, you can go and close them if you don't need them. For example, Chrome can be quite intensive, so you can select it and press End Task and repeat that for other apps as well. Next, you can press search at the bottom and you want to type in edit power plan like so and click on that. And then what you want to do is go to the top and press power options. And you want to make sure you're using high performance. It may be in the additional options here, and that will then go and favor performance but use more energy. Hopefully your games will stop crashing. Leave a like if you found this useful.